Здравствуйте and welcome to our series on the Russian alphabet. Меня зовут Женя, and I'll guide you through everything you need to know about speaking and reading in Russian. Ye, yo, you, ya, I.
Whoa.
I can say it faster. Ye, yo, you, ya, I.
Okay, what? Hi, my name is Lauren. I am a true beginner to the Russian language. I know nothing when it comes to Russian. EEX3.
Okay, I like it. Yeah, and at first I know the alphabet can look pretty daunting.
Intimidating, yeah.
Yeah, but throughout the series, we'll look at all the letters, so you'll go through letter by letter. So this is actually a V in Russian, even though it looks like the English V, yeah.
Like
so
Victor.
Yeah, V is in Victor, yep.
Okay.
Some new and unique sounds.
Blah.
Blah.
It's blah.
It is not blah. And how to read even some of the trickiest Russian words.
Is that a real word?
Yes, it's a real word. It means sightseeing.
I think we're gonna have a lot of fun together learning more about the Russian alphabet. So subscribe to our video so you don't miss out on a thing and you're able to then learn more about the Russian alphabet with Jenny and myself.
And if you're ready to work on your spoken proficiency, Mango Languages Russian course is the best place to start. Make sure you hit the link in the description and you can get started with the desktop and mobile apps.
And as always, thanks for watching.
До свидания.
Bye.